Since Meta, formerly Facebook, CEO Mark Zuckerberg declared his ambition to construct his company's future in a metaverse, interest in the topic has skyrocketed. Though it is still a relatively new notion for most, the metaverse has the potential to grow into an $800 billion market in the coming years. The concept is currently being promoted as the next huge tech platform. The metaverse is a technological setting designed to expand the physical world's dimensions. More than just a virtual reality or augmented reality experience, the metaverse strives to build an embodied, immersive version of the internet that allows us to fully utilize the possibilities of our digital lives. Because most of us currently spend a large number of our lives online, the metaverse makes a lot of sense for future generations who are tech-savvy. However, it is more than just a creative idea for future consumers. The metaverse can potentially be a lucrative opportunity for businesses. In today's video, we will talk about some of the reasons why you should invest in metaverse technology in 2022. Stay tuned to learn more. 1. New opportunities for collaboration. From a professional standpoint, one of the primary selling aspects of the metaverse is that it provides us with a new platform for collaboration and communication in a distributed landscape. During the pandemic, several businesses adapted to employing Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and other comparable solutions to keep their employees connected. However, these technologies are limited in their capabilities. The metaverse could enable businesses to generate a true sense of presence and connection with teams dispersed all over the world. Companies can use VR to construct virtual office settings for shared ideation in the metaverse, or they can use AR or MR to leverage holographic representations of employees. Everyday individual work might also be moved into the metaverse, offering people who work from home a virtually enhanced workplace in which they can engage with everything from digital blueprints to knowledge-based articles in seconds. 2. Incredible experiences. In today's competitive landscape, experience is one of the most crucial ideas for any organization to consider. To stay ahead of the competition in a technologically changing world, you must offer incredible experiences for users, employees, and customers alike. What better approach to create remarkable experiences than to combine the actual world and the metaverse? In the metaverse, shops will be able to combine applications with AR signs to digitally direct customers around a store and deliver product information in real time. Travel businesses are already investing in concepts such as virtual reality tours to give potential clients an idea of what they might anticipate from an incredible vacation to a distant region. The metaverse's unique technology, ranging from 3D reconstructed virtual content to holograms, will enable exciting new experiences. As a result, teams and consumers should be more engaged. 3. Improved training and learning opportunities. We have seen a quick series of changes in the way people absorb knowledge and learn, both in the professional and academic worlds. The learning space, like the dynamic collaborative environment, has adapted to lockdowns and social separation through the usage of video conferencing. However, with these technologies, there are still obstacles to overcome. The metaverse offers a more linked and unified online experience with a single avatar capable of exploring everything from virtual lecture halls to science labs. Universities are already utilizing virtual worlds such as Second Life to enhance lectures and allow distance learners to virtually visit a campus. The metaverse can also use AR and MR technology to transform existing locations into training simulators. People will be able to interact with the technology they are using to learn and build skills more quickly if they have access to things like artificial intelligence incorporated into the experience. 4. New economic opportunities. The metaverse represents new revenue prospects for businesses in a variety of industries. We have already talked about how travel companies may provide unique experiences to potential customers by allowing them to virtually explore a location via a headset. However, there are a variety of different chances to be found throughout the metaverse. The blockchain and crypto-based economy that serves as the metaverse's core creates a new canvas for trading various types of value. Artists and fashion corporations are already experimenting with concepts such as NFTs by exploiting the blockchain ecosystem at the heart of the metaverse, or non-fungible tokens. Once the metaverse is fully operational, there will be a slew of new chances for businesses to communicate with their clients, ranging from digital events to virtual advertising. These prospects, according to experts, may give the metaverse a value of roughly $1 trillion. 5. Improve sustainability. The metaverse has the potential to improve global sustainability by providing us with access to more information and experiences in digital form. The metaverse's underlying XR environment will make it much easier to avoid things like regular commutes and travels. which contribute to a massive amount of fossil fuel consumption every day. Simultaneously, we will be able to access various types of documents, contracts, and other tools online, eliminating the need to spend assets in person. The metaverse might even assist businesses in bringing team members together to create digital twins in a VR environment, allowing employees to invent new kinds of items without wasting physical materials. There is even the possibility that we will become less reliant on a variety of consumption products. Things that are physical today, such as a TV screen, may become holographic in the future, according to Zuckerberg. 6. Improved productivity. It can be difficult to stay productive when more individuals work from home as a result of the pandemic. However, with the metaverse, you may be able to change up your workstation, hold more productive meetings, and stay interested in your work. If you are bored with your office, you may take a virtual trip to Italy and work while enjoying a view of the beach. Alternatively, if you and your coworkers need to meet, you can do so digitally in the workplace. This has the potential to lessen the requirement for in-person meetings while simultaneously eliminating the difficulties associated with video conversation. 7. Better customer experiences. Finally, the metaverse has the ability to provide your customers with a plethora of interesting new experiences throughout the entire consumer journey. You can use the metaverse to invest in new advertising opportunities or to develop new ways to contact your target audience via digital events. You can even include your brand in existing metaverse locations to pique your audience's interest. Wendy's recently got involved with the metaverse by constructing a figure resembling the brand's mascot into the digital community in Fortnite, with the goal of killing all of the game's freezers during the game's food fight mode. As a result, the brand's social media mentions increased by 119%. The metaverse might also be a valuable tool for improving customer service by providing more helpful digital experiences for customers who are having problems with their purchases. You could even send team members to your consumers in person in the form of a mixed reality avatar to help them set up new technologies. 8. Real estate developers are dumping millions into the metaverse. Republic Realm, a virtual real estate developer, just broke a record by purchasing a $4.3 million piece of land on Metaverse platform The Sandbox, beating a record set a week earlier by Tokens.com for a $2.5 million purchase of land in Decentraland. That is a lot of spare change. They envision a world in which they can rent storefronts to businesses that want to sell merchandise but do not want to maintain any virtual real estate. Rent virtual condos to people who want to visit the metaverse, but do not want to spend $12,000 on a lot of their own, and even design and build custom homes for celebrities who believe that a metaverse presence is beneficial to their brand image, but do not have the time to muck around with the messy bits. 9. Immersive experiences. The possibility for immersive encounters is one of the most exciting parts of the metaverse. Whether you are attending a virtual concert, traveling to a foreign nation, or watching a sporting event, virtual and augmented reality may make you feel as if you are there in person, even if you are sitting in your living room. This is especially encouraging while the COVID-19 outbreak continues and many people are unable to travel or attend large gatherings securely. Immersive experiences may be accessible through the metaverse even if you are unable to leave your home. 10. Commerce opportunities. The metaverse has the potential to open up a whole new universe of options for businesses and individuals. Within the metaverse, users can purchase and sell anything from virtual real estate to vehicles to apparel to non-fungible token, NFT, artwork, and the economic possibilities are limitless. The greater the number of people in the metaverse, the greater the number of selling chances. Almost everything that exists in the physical world could also exist in the virtual world. Therefore, you could make real money by selling in the metaverse regardless of your craft. Do you think the metaverse will be a good investment opportunity in your opinion? You can leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and bye for now.